In this video, let's see how to complete a quick checkout and send reports via email and print its bill. To make a quick checkout, click on room G1, which has already been checked in. Click the Checkout button in the pop-up to move forward with the quick checkout. Click on the Quick Checkout button to proceed with the checkout. Click the Select Payment Type drop-down menu to select a payment method, for example cash. Please click the Update Settlement button to continue with checkout and bill generation. Tap the Print Bill button to generate a printed bill, displaying all details clearly. Click the Print button to generate a physical bill from the printer. Select the Mail button in the navigation bar to send the bill via email. Enter the recipient's email address in the To Email field in the modal. Click the Submit button in the modal to send the email. Therefore, the quick checkout process is completed, and you have successfully checked out in short time.